Integrating your Shopify store with your WordPress website lets you combine Shopify's powerful e-commerce engine with WordPress flexibility and content tools. So in this video, I'll show you how do you integrate a Shopify store with your WordPress website. So first, go ahead and set up your Shopify store, and then go ahead and make sure that your store is live and functioning. Now head over to WordPress, and then on WordPress, go ahead and choose a hosting provider and install WordPress. Pick a theme and customize your site layout. So head back to Shopify after this. And then in Shopify, head over into the sales channel. So click on that. And then from here, go ahead and search for Buy Button. So the Buy Button extension will pop on the result. So click on that. And then make sure to install this. So inside it, go ahead and click on Create a Buy Button. Choose a product or collection. Customize the button style, and then copy the generated HTML embed code. After that, you need to head back to WordPress and then edit the poster page where you want the product to appear. So switch that to HTML or text view, and then paste the embed code. This lets users shop directly from your WordPress site, but checkout still happens on Shopify. So why this setup works? Shopify handles payments, inventory, and security, and WordPress gives you full control over design, content, and SEO. You get the best of both worlds without needing to migrate platforms, and that is how you can basically integrate a Shopify store with your WordPress website.